Welcome to our guide on how to use the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're starting a blog, a portfolio, or an online store, this tool lets you build a site without any coding skills. First, let's set up your Hostinger account. Head to the Hostinger website and select Get Started. Follow the prompts to create your profile. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Here's a breakdown of the key features you'll find at your disposal. Next, it's time to choose a template. Depending on your website's purpose, select a design that fits your style. Now let's customize your site. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to create a layout that suits your vision. Time to add some content. Include text, images, and multimedia to make your website engaging and informative. To enhance visibility, optimize your site for SEO. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. Before publishing, preview and test your site across devices to ensure that everything looks great. Once you're satisfied, hit that publish button and your site is live. Congratulations! Keep your site updated with fresh content and check analytics regularly for improvements. Happy building!